Hello guys, thank you for coming to my channel, Ask David How. And today what I'll be doing is reviewing a MetroPCS phone. This is the Samsung Galaxy Core Prime for MetroPCS on the T-Mobile network. So this is going to be my unboxing review and pretty much explain a little bit about what this phone is and what kind of features does it have and stuff like that. So let's get started. As you know, this is a Samsung Galaxy Core Prime. It is a low budget phone. I believe it's $49 as of the making of this video, or free with the new service transferring a number over to the MetroPCS company. It is Bluetooth ready, Wi-Fi of course, and it is an Android device. 4G LTE. Okay, so phone features: it is a 4G LTE device, Android. It has a 4.5-inch screen, a 5 megapixel rear facing camera with LED flash, and a 2 megapixel front facing camera. It is a 1.2 gigahertz quad core processor, and it takes a micro SD card, and it's expandable up to 128 gigabytes. So that is some of the features on this device. I will be testing this device out in the weeks to come. I am going from a Galaxy S3 from Verizon Wireless to this phone right here. So let's see what's in the box. We have the phone. Okay. We have the SIM card. It's a micro SIM. We have Samsung Galaxy Core Prime Quick Start Guide. Probably don't need that. Just a couple of apps you can download from the Play Store for this device. And this is, oh, here we go, Health and Safety and Warranty Guide for the Galaxy Core Prime. Probably don't need that. We also have a USB to micro USB to charge the device. We have the charging block and I believe it's a, what kind of battery is this? This is a battery. Let's open the battery, see how many milliamps it has. It has a 2000 milliamp battery, so that should give us about 15-20 hours talk time according to Samsung specs. So should be pretty good. Now, as you know, it's a basic phone, low budget, so you don't get much here. I mean, it feels pretty good, not bad. Let's see here, open the device. Here we go. SIM card, micro SD card. Okay. You have the 3.5 millimeter jack for your headphones, charging port down here. It looks kind of cheap in there. It doesn't look very good, but it feels nice. Let's pop in the SIM card in here. The SIM goes in the bottom. There we go. Pop in the battery. Let's see here. Power the device on. Now this phone Supposed to be running a 1.2 gigahertz Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, Snapdragon 410. Supposed to have about 8 gig of internal memory. So let's see, what can we do with this phone? No. Skip. Let's get to the main menu. Well, this is checking for connection. It's going to activate the device, because it is a phone that I will be using. So it looks like it's not closed, but it is. So okay. It'll take up to 2 minutes. For time's sake, I'm gonna pause the video and come back whenever this screen goes by. Alright, so now it takes you to the Azure account for Google. For now, I'm gonna skip this. Skip that. I'm just gonna get to the main screen. Let's see here. Skip everything. Next. Skip. Finish. Okay. Here we go. So, let's see here. So pretty much, let's see if we can see that. There it goes. So basically, you have, you see the clock up there on your widgets. You got MetroPCS folder, which, you know, it's all the bloatware. Let's get to the good stuff. Let's go to the, let's see. Oh, so settings. Let's see. There we go. Go to about device. Device name. It is the Galaxy Core Prime. See there. The model number of this phone is the SMG360T1, and is running Android 5.1.1, which is the latest Lollipop. And then go to storage. So it is an 8 gig right there, internal, but available is 4.53 gig. So you don't get very much on that from the 8 gig. So like I said, this isn't an unboxing review. You can see a lot of the MetroPCS bloatware here. So I will be using this phone in the weeks to come, and then I will do a review. Remember, I'm coming from a Galaxy S3 on Verizon network to this phone right here. So we will see if it was a good decision or not. So until then, if you have any questions, let me know on the comments below. If you like this video, just hit the like button, subscribe, and those likes and the subscriptions will get you more videos. So if you have any suggestions on other videos, just let me know. And if the video was in good quality, also let me know. I'll surely be able to fix it, so you can watch a nice clean video. But alright guys, until next time, ask David how. Let me know if you have any questions, comments in the section below, or if you want a specific video on me reviewing an item or how to do anything, just let me know. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.